Alright, what's up everybody? My name is Jacob. I know it's been a while since I've made a video and I might look a little bit different since last time. Cut all my hair off. But in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to install LED turn signal bulbs in your 11th generation Honda Civic Type R. It would be the same with any brand bulbs, but today I actually have bulbs from Lasfit Auto Lighting. They reached out to me. They were looking for newer generation or new model vehicles, and they asked if I would be interested in making an install video for these turn signal bulbs. And of course, I'm down to do anything like this. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we're gonna go downstairs and start installing them. So here we are. First, I'm going to give you guys a preview of what they look like with the stock bulbs, turn signals, and the hazards. I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights off, and I'll do it with the lights on as well. Alright, so I know the lighting is not the best, but I think I'm going to wear the phone for the install. You're not going to need much, pretty much just some rags to make sure you don't scratch anything up. Taillights come out with either an 8mm socket or screwdriver, and your lights. That's pretty much all you're going to need. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. You're going to have plastic cover covering your 2 bolts that'll be in here, which you can pop off by hand or with the clip tool. Literally just pops right off. And then right there and right there, you'll see your 2 little bolts. 8mm or a screw on either one. Obviously you don't want to pull too hard. This is where you want to be careful you don't scratch your paint down here on the bumper. And bam. Might feel like you're breaking some. Oh, it looks like you actually have to pop out more than backwards for these ones, but just like that, it'll come out. Then you can unplug your connectors, pop that little piece off, and your tail light is out. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. Oop. Let's go ahead and get the cover off. Cover comes off like that. This one should come out smoother now that I know the proper way to pull it out. Set your screws down again. Now this should come out just like that. Maybe I should have checked that. Damn, connectors, a little harness clip, comes right out. Alright, now because the lighting's not the best, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the flash on for this. Let's get our bulbs out of here. And as you'll see, this is a full LED taillight besides your halogen turn signal. So there's only one bulb you can pop out. Can't get that wrong. Bulb just wiggles right out. I'm gonna put these up and keep them for later. Obviously, I don't like messing with any of my stock parts. And I believe, yes, it should just be one way it goes in, which I'll double check that this is the correct way after I install them, but it looks like this metal piece to this metal piece, so they make contact. But we'll find out. Plug in your LED portion of the connector. Turn signal connector. Put your harness clip back on there. And then we're gonna go in on the side first. That should be it. Grab our bolts. I like to start things by hand, make sure nothing goes cross-threaded or misaligned. Make sure you turn this down. Turn signal connector. There's two pieces that line up. There we go. Looks like one side works. Let's see what's up. If it does not work, take it out, try it the other way. And just like that. Now we can go back with the covers. Let's see. Nice. Nice. Alright, if you guys made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you guys for watching. Obviously, I want to give a huge shout out to Lasfit Lighting for reaching out to me. I hope to do more things with you guys in the future. No matter what the products be, I'm down to review anything and give my honest opinion. The LED bulbs, they're very bright, especially compared to stock. I honestly can still see them whenever I walk around. But yeah, once again, thank you guys at Lasfit for reaching out to me, and I hope to work with you guys in the future.